Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I am featuring Bee Hairs. Big thank you to Bee Hairs for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this look. So they sent over this gorgeous unit. This is their Brazilian virgin human hair in the water wave texture. I have this unit in 20 inches. It's in the natural color black. I have a medium cap size, and this is a 5x5 HD lace closure. And the density on this baby is 150. So the knots are pre-bleached. I love that. And this is some of the best lace ever. Now, I have worked with them before. I will insert a clip, or I'll add it to the end of this video, of the wig that I worked with them on before, and their lace consistency. Yeah, consistent. It's HD. Look at that. You can't even see the lace besides the tabs at the edge. So we already know the lace is great. Now, as far as this hair being 150 density, this is actually a nice 150. I've worked with so many wigs, and a lot of them will say 150, but it still gives less. This is very full. The hair is very soft and very lightweight. I also have to say that this medium cap size was perfect. It fit perfect. There are combs inside and an elastic adjustable band. I didn't even have to mess with the band. Once I slipped it on, it just fit so good. So I'm going to show you a few different ways to wear this wig. I am showing you here. I wanted to see if I could do a side part and a middle part, being that this is a 5x5 closure. And yes, I was able to do both. But before I get into the parting and how I style it, I'm really just going to melt this lace down. So I use my Kiss Lace spray, and I use that, and it worked really well. I love that spray. That spray does the job for me. So I'm just cutting the lace off. And look, you really can't even see the lace. That's how good this lace is. I love that. And this hairline is pre-tweezed. I didn't have to do any tweezing or any plucking. This is a really nice wig. I'm not going to hold you. So I also want to mention that I like this curl pattern without any product. Honestly, I love it big like this. It's very natural looking, not super defined, but the curls pop. And they are so juicy once I hit it with water and mousse. So there's a few different ways that you can wear the curly hair. So I want to mention that so you know that. So here I'm just using the rat tail comb, pushing the lace into the skin. And then I'm going to start to part the hair off and style it. So here I just parted it down the middle. I'm using my hot comb, and I'm just pushing the hair back in the front. That's just something I like to do on my wigs. A little height in the front just makes it look so good. I don't know, kind of like a blowout look. So I'm going to use the hot comb to do that. And then once I'm done defining the part, I do add a little bit of lace concealer to brighten up that part. Also to camouflage that line of demarcation with the wig cap. And once I'm done with that, that's when I will go in with my products to define the curls. So this is what I'm using: continuous spray bottle, continuous spray bottle with water, Lotta Body mousse, and a brush. I need to re-up on that Lotta Body mousse. I'm telling y'all, it smells so good. I love it. I go through so much of that stuff, and it is super affordable. So yeah, I will have everything that I use in this video linked in the description box. But as you can see, I'm working that into the hair. First, I just brush the hair with water, and then I add the mousse after. And I love the way the curls pop. So So this is what it looks like all done. I'm finished with both sides. Now I'm just going to fluff the hair out and let the hair dry. Of course, if you do not manipulate the hair, you get to maintain those defined curls, but the more you touch it, the more it's going to frizz up. So just keep that in mind. But I did try to fluff it out a little bit to bring some of that volume back. And that's really it. Here I'm just tapping some more spray just to get rid of that cast that was made from the makeup and the lace spray. And that's it, y'all. I'm going to have all the links and details to this wig down in the description box. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. This is a really pretty summer wig. You don't want to have to deal with the flat iron. This is gorgeous. And because the curls are a easy curl to maintain, I love it. All links and details will be down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. Don't forget to check out the last collaboration that I did with B Hairs. I still love that wig to this day. It was a blonde bob and it was bomb. And that lace, tea. So all links will be down below. Don't forget to like the video on your way out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.